Hello again, my friends. Today we have to fix something. This is a hair clipper Philips QC5005, made in Hungary, from 0 to 21 millimeters, I recall, or something. Anyway, we have this adjust brush or whatever. You see, the point is that these wires got ruined. So what can we do? At least this can be fixed very well with some shrinking tube. But here, let's see. Let me cut the wires first. Maybe we can fix it in a simple way. There are no screws, so everything is clipped, may say, together. I'm not sure if I can even open it. Oh yeah. Well, okay. So it's easier than I thought. Okay. So it's dismantled. It's a very simple circuit. In fact, you see, it's a motor of some sort. Okay, we have some numbers. FK10891 something. Doesn't say about the voltages. It's made in China, but assembled in Hungary. The point is that I need, it's kind of proper mechanic. Plenty of parts around here. Maybe I can improvise something. Let's cut this. Oh. What? I'm kind of disappointed. It's not too much left. No, not good. You see, it's not such a big motor, so I don't believe that we need too much wire. So like 1.5 meters should be enough. Better because it's kind of rubber or silicone. Anyway, it's much more flexible. Oh yeah, it's okay. It's fine. First, let me fix this. Obviously, this is a good piece of wire. You see, it have a kind of cotton or textile anyway, kind of fiber. So that assure a very smooth reaction to movement and stuffs like that, and strong when you stretch it. But what can we do? Because the plastic outside, look there, it's melting. So probably this is ground, and red it's plus. So I'll do the ground first, like this, soldering. Nice. And then I'll use some shrinking tube, like that. A little bit more. Let's have this solder it. Perfect. Perfect. Is this too tight? Yes, it is, but we can use this one. Okay, we'll do this first, and I'll come in with some stronger. Okay. Okay, exactly what I was looking for. I need this to go up on the top of these guys, like that. Yeah, that should be fine. Let's see. It's pretty flexible. It will keep the things running for a while, no doubt. Okay, let's go back to these other guys. I think I need a better, of course. And we can do something here. Something like this, a nut. That will keep everything in place. around here. Of course I'll use these wires because they are already here, so doesn't bother. I think the black it's plus in my situation, and the other black from the power supply it's plus. It matters. Okay, let's measure this. 17 volts, of course. So we have a very clear dot, which obviously shows us the right polarity for the motor. Right. Now, if I'm switching this on, of course it's working. Absolutely yes. Let's put the things together. Back in the case. It's a very simple device, very unsophisticated, but it's running good. Very nice results, I may say. That's it. These wires, they are not flexible at all. So probably they should be much more flexible or stiff, even with that textile thing inside. But that is more for stretching or pulling than got nothing to do with flexibility. And look there, we are very okay with that rubber thingy. That's it, people. It's fixed. And what's wrong with you? This is gone. How comes? Okay, that's enough. We still have plenty of, yeah, much better. Yeah, I'll fix this too. I need a piece of plastic here to have that in place. So that's it for today. I hope it's useful. This is QC5005 electric hair clipper from Philips with a really bad wire before. Got a new one and it's back on duty. Thank you for today. Like always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button. I'm waiting your comments, of course. Thanks to my sponsors, thanks to Radu G from Belgium and Vladka from Mafia Records, Czech from States, of course. And yeah, see you with the next one, some other adventures, let me call it. But you see, rule number one, don't forget, have fun. Bye bye.